Hi gang, this is Mike G from Mr. GTV and I want to talk about psychic healing. I'm doing psychic development in the group for free and I'm also doing perception training. But one of the things that is really important is your perception and your ability to use psychic energy on your own personal body. So we use psycho, the mind, to heal soma, the body, psychosomatic healing. And in the word psycho is psychic. So psychic development is mind development. It's connecting your mind, which we think is in your head, but it isn't. Your body's in your mind. Your mind's not in your body. That's a massive statement. And it's connecting your mind to universal mind, which is all a oneness, but we tend to sort of like go around thinking that we're individual, that we're singular, that we're sort of separated, detached from everything else, and that's not true. All you're doing is connecting to your loved ones when you do a psychic connection, and it's remembering that you're always connected. You're never separated, but it's we forget them. We don't mean to. We love our passed over loved ones and everybody else, but we tend to get on with our own lives. All you're actually doing is remembering that you're not separated, that you're not disconnected, that you're connected, and then you make that connection. What you can also make that connection for is to channel source energy, whatever words you want to use, source energy, cosmic energy, Reiki energy, God energy, love and light, many words, orgon energy, elemental forces. You connect to all that, whatever words you use, because you're never separate from it. You're part of the algorithm of the universe. You're always connected as a person to the planet, and as a person to the planet, to the cosmos, to the universe, to the multiverse, to everything that there ever is, has been, and ever will be. And it's remembering that, and it's drawing upon that power, and then it's focusing that power in the area that needs attention. So ask yourself now, what needs attention in your body? Is it a respiratory thing, your lungs, your chest? Is it your heart? Is it something in your head? Is it your joints? Is it back pain? Is it sciatica? Is it indigestion? You know what it is that needs attention, and basically what you do is you call upon that connection to the universe. You ask the universe or God, whatever words you want, to heal you by connecting through you and to you, to get love and light from the universe, sound, light, vibration, raise your frequency and receive the healing. I'll talk more about this, but I just wanted to put the concept out there, and it's using your psychic powers, your psychic connections, psycho the mind, to heal soma the body, to receive divine healing psychically. And your perception of this will be the difference between it working and it's not. In other words, open your mind, be open-minded to the possibility that you can access powers beyond your own imagination, because you're only limited by your imagination. So be unlimited, be powerful, enjoy your mind, and get your mind psycho to work to heal your body soma, and then you'll receive the healing, which is a miracle. Be powerful, enjoy your mind, use your mind, take care.